Next up here is QQQ, the technology ETF. A couple of interesting things worth pointing out. First of all, the closing blocks did have a huge amount of volume there, 1.7 million. And then I'll pull up the extended hours, just like the S&P had another volume block here of 1.1 million way late in the day at 141.30. Looks like there are there's some heavy trades going on. I'm not sure if they're buyers or sellers or unloading, or if that's the end of a sweep order or what. Tomorrow will tell us what those trades mean and what that volume implies. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these old lines. And now we've got a clear chart. This is a red hammer candle with substantial volume to imply that there are considerable amount of participants in the trade. So whether this was support buyers came in to help lift price again, or if this is simply a top and people were unloading, institutions were unloading, we'll just have to wait and see. This would be the second significant candle in this uptrend here, at least in the recent uptrend. This first one right here, and now we have what could be a potential hanging man, which is a topping pattern. But because the majority of my trades are bullish and I trade from the long side of the market, I will analyze this as a continuation higher of the trend. Going forward, interesting level here comes to mind is 141.25. This was the previous support, broke down and is now resistance. Price came right up to it, and that after hours volume has pushed it well above there, and can at least assume that it's going to be support if it opens above and holds any strength up there. So with that in mind, I will be looking for a long position over 141.30. Likely do this with some weekly calls, because this will be for just a trade, not a long-term hold. Stop loss down here just below the VWAP. VWAP did flatten out on the day, still a slight downtrend, so that in and of itself is slightly bearish. But if price does come up, VWAP will come up and meet it too. And any trigger into that level, I will be looking for a move up to 142, simply because it is the next round number up. And if the bears that did start selling today do get scared, they'll have to cover, which will add to the buying pressure and push it up.